Hello everyone, BIBI from BIBI LED screen team here. If you are looking for wall-mounted LED screen, then you should spend a couple of minutes with me together to check this video out. I'm gonna tell you all details about our CF series. Firstly, we have three models in our CF series: P6.6, P8, and P10. Depend on specific installation occasion. If you need advice, check with us. Many people will ask, what is the LED bubble we use? Nation-Star SMD 2727 is our standard use. It gives you brightness around 5000 to 5500 nits. And mature surface-mounted technology gives you very good contrast ratio around 5000 to 1. You know, Nation-Star, very good and stable quality performance. There is also another question many people will ask. If our CF series can work with all kinds of weather conditions? The answer is yes. We have done many internal tests as well. The protective level is IP65. It even can work with raining. Series. Our module size is 320mm by 320mm. Based on this module size, we can easily change the cabinet size per your requirement. As you can see from here, this cabinet is made by 3 modules in wide and 3 modules in high. So this cabinet size is around 960mm in wide and 960mm in high. And regard to the cabinet material, we have 2 options. First one is steel cabinet. It's our standard use, which is satisfied for most installation occasion. But if your city is high humidity, like 90% all the time, or if your city is very close to the beach, then you should consider to use aluminum cabinet, which will cost a little bit higher, around $100 per square meter. But aluminum cabinet will give you better ability on anti-rust, anti-corrosion, also heat dissipation. And now I will give you some information about the thickness and weight. This is our CF series. The thickness is around 11 cm. I will give you a data to comparison. This is a traditional steel cabinet. As you can see, it is fully covered. The thickness will be around 50 cm, and our CF series thickness is around 11 cm. The traditional steel cabinet weight is around 55 kg per square meter, and our CF series, the weight is around 36 kg per square meter. So compare these 2 data, you will know that our CF series will give less pressure and weight pressure to your wall. Also, we always use connector for data cable and power cable in our CF series. In this case, when you receive our screens, you don't need an electrician. Everyone can handle the cable work easily. Let me show you. Network cable. I can show me how to plug in, plug out, and plug in. This is the power cable. Also, if you notice, our CF series, the cabinet is designed without fan. Someone will ask, without a fan, how it can has good heat dissipation ability? You see, here is the modules. The difference is we use aluminum base for our modules instead of plastic base. Aluminum is metal, will give you better heat dissipation ability than plastics. The same as all other screens, we can use the control system in our CF series per your preference. For example, we can use synchronous control like Nova Star, color light, lensing. Also, we can use asynchronous control like we do. For example, this is Nova Star synchronous control system, SMD 300. Also, as you can see, our CF series cabinet design is very stylish, clean, nothing is extra. What is the biggest difference between our CF series with others? You know, for regular outdoor billboards, it requires you to have a space around 80 cm at the back of the screen. What is the space used for? I will show you. The 80 cm space is used for the operator stand at the behind of the screen to do the maintenance. I will show you. For example, our CF series can be done like this way as well. Firstly, we need to plug out those cables. And now we can open it. Now we open the box. Here we see the power supply and the receiving card. So if any problem happen there, then you can do the maintenance and repairing. After you fix all problem, you close it and this is why for most regular outdoor billboards, it will request you to have the space at the back of screen. But for our CF series, the 80 cm space is not necessary because you can stand at the front of the screen to do any maintenance it requires. Let me show you. Firstly, we need the tool to take out the modules. So the module is out. Then you can do any repairing and maintenance. After it's finished, we need to assemble the modules back. We normally use polywood case to pack our products. Normally, one polywood case pack 4 cabinets. Besides that, we always use films, also foam, to protect each corner of our cabinets, as you can see from here. And regard to the Bollywood case, sometimes we change the thickness of Bollywood depend on the destination country. If it is very far, we use thicker Bollywood to make sure our goods is still good after long distance shipping on the sea. Basically, that is all important information about our CF series. If you got any further question, you can email us or subscribe our YouTube page. We will have further product introduction video for you guys. Again, this is BIBI from BIBI LED team. See you next time. Bye bye. 但是这个怎么开头嘞？我要开一个头。我觉得不打。对不起，小草了。啊，好好好。